So we're here today at Tynyberth, looking at condition scoring the ewes, getting ready for tupping. So rams aren't going in for probably another 2 to 3 months, but now is a great time to get a feel for what's going on with the ewes. They were weaned last week, so in general they're still fairly lean, but we're going through and we're marking the leanest ones so we can follow them through. We're going to give everything good grazing for about a month or so, and then resort at that point and really start trying to focus on any thinner ewes that are remaining in the flock. So in terms of condition scoring, at this point it's fairly quick and easy process. You're wanting to work out any ewes that are too fat, just right, or too thin, so don't have to worry too much about the individual scores. And it's just a quick feel over the loin. So these two ewes, they're in about right condition. They're probably just below a 3, so they're perfect this time of year. Ideally there'd be a 3 going to the ram, but they've got plenty of time to put that extra bit of finish on. We've got another ewe here who's a little bit leaner, should be below target. Not hugely thin, but should be about a sort of 2.5. And then this ewe here, it's actually quite interesting with these two ewes. They actually handle the same, but looking at them, she does actually look thinner, so it's important to put your hand on them because the looks can be quite deceptive. But again, I'm not massively worried at this point. They've got time, but if they were thin in a month's time like this, we'd want them to be given some extra grazing. At the same time, we're going to look at things like liver fluke. Jack's going to look at it with the vet and maybe do some fecal accounting just to make sure there's nothing underlying going on with these ewes as well. This one here's condition. So it's just really a quick feel, should be a little bit leaner, and this one here is probably a little bit lean as well. Again, she's fine and should be a little bit leaner, but not horrifically bad at this point, so very happy with the condition of these. Got plenty of time to put on, so yeah, they should be good to go to the ram soon.